this lesson, we are going to add a Joomla single article. So let's click on the single. Now, before we added multiple, this is where if you want to add specific article from specific sections, you can do that. So I'm going to click on the standard post. And it's showing this here. You want to show the title. You want to show the content. So I'm going to, let's see here, intro. I'm going to click don't show the content. And now the content is no longer there. And you can use this as a way if you have certain articles that you want to showcase or highlight on the front end of your site. I'm going to show you how to do that now. But before you can choose the article, the options here, do you want to link the title set to no? Let's set this to yes. And go through the page for the read more buttons. Do you want something there? It has the read more. You can add read more or whatever you want to see. You can change that text right over here. So I give the liberty to do that. And the button icon, you can add something there. So I'm not going to put anything. So let me just disable that read more and click on apply here. So what I want to do now is you're going to use columns a lot. Okay, columns are going to be one of your best friends. So let's use columns. And I'm just going to use 3. And the same thing too that I did before. I'm going to scroll down, single article. You can pick and choose what articles that you want to put. Put this one here. I'll show the content, no. Now, if it doesn't have an image, of course, it's going to show the content here. I'll show the title. I guess there's no image for that particular one. So click apply. So that's one here. You can click on this to duplicate and drag it over, but let's not do that. Let's go here and get another single article. So what are we going to pick here? Nutrition. Let's go with nutrition. I'm not sure what's in that particular article. I'll just, pick that one. And do you want the intro text? Let's move it over, see what we've got. So that looks good. Let's go over to the next one. Now I'm doing this because this gives you a way for you to choose specific content on your website that you may want to share. So I'll move this over here so we can see. So there you have the 3 articles that you probably want to feature these on your website. And you can go over to the title for each one. You click on this edit. You can choose the alignment for it. Put that in the middle, choose the title. You want to choose a color. And you know how this goes. So feel free to come with the metadata. You can choose how that shows the content for it. Do you want to change the color? Do you want to change the margin? Let's see what else we've got here. The buttons. I'm not going to change anything. The button type, solid. Let's see what else we've got. Scroll up. So feel free to change these and put them exactly how you want it to be on your website.